12.2.1 Alpha particle trajectory. The trajectory traced by an alpha particle depends on the impact parameter, b, of the collision. The impact parameter is the perpendicular distance of the initial velocity vector of the alpha particle from the center of the nucleus. Refer adjacent figure. A given beam of alpha particles has a distribution of impact parameters b, so that the beam is scattered in various directions from different probabilities. Refer adjacent figure. In a beam, all particles have nearly same kinetic energy. It is seen that an alpha particle close to the nucleus, small impact parameter, suffers large scattering. In case of head-on collision, the impact parameter is minimum and the alpha particle rebounds back. Theta is near equal to pi. For a large impact parameter, the alpha particle goes nearly undeviated and has a small deflection. Theta is near equal to 0. The fact that only a small fraction of the number of incident particles rebound back indicates that the number of alpha particles undergoing head-on collision is small. This in turn implies that the mass of the atom is concentrated in a small volume. Rutherford scattering, therefore, is a powerful way to determine an upper limit to the size of the nucleus. 12.2.2 Electron orbits. The Rutherford nuclear model of the atom, which involves classical concepts, picture the atoms as an electrically neutral sphere consisting of a very small, massive and positively charged nucleus at the center, surrounded by the revolving electrons in their respective dynamically stable orbits. The electrostatic force of attraction, Fe, between the revolving electrons and the nucleus provides the requisite centripetal force, Fc, to keep them in their orbits. Thus, for a dynamically stable orbit in a hydrogen atom, Fe is equal to Fc. mv square by r is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by r square. This is equation 12.2. Thus, the relation between the orbit radius and the electron velocity is r is equal to E square by 4 pi epsilon naught mv square. This is equation 12.3. The kinetic energy K and the electrostatic potential energy U of the electron in hydrogen atom are K is equal to half mv square is equal to E square by 8 pi epsilon naught r, and U is equal to minus E square by 4 pi epsilon naught r. The negative sign in U signifies that the electrostatic force is in the minus r direction. Thus, the total energy E of the electron in a hydrogen atom is E is equal to K plus U is equal to E square by 8 pi epsilon naught r minus E square by 4 pi epsilon naught r is equal to minus E square by 8 pi epsilon naught r. This is equation 12.4. The total energy of the electron is negative. This implies the fact that the electron is bound to the nucleus. If E were positive, an electron will not follow a closed orbit around the nucleus.